Well, I'm finally back at it. It's been a while. Hadn't been able to get out here. They got John coming out here today. He's going to meet me. So me and John from the Swamp Posse are going to see if we can find some specks and reds today. Going to be a beautiful sunrise here in a little while. Not much bait activity. Saw a little bit of movement up here, but it's shallow and rocky right there. Let's see if boy, it was blowing pretty good this morning at the ramp, and now the gnats are out like crazy. Feel it bumping on the bottom already. See, there's a red right there. Oh, that was a big old trout, I think. God, you saw that? Little bitty tiny dink. Don't know how he even ate the bait. Hope this ain't the day, but well, it ain't a skunk anyway. Ain't a skunk. I want that big one that I just had on to come back though. Just had a bump on a gold spoon right here. Little tiny thing, whatever it is. That's what it was, little tiny stuff. Fish on. This is on the gold spoon. I don't know what it is. Just ran into my rudder. Ooh, big old speck. Get in the boat, get in the boat. Yes. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. He's definitely a keeper. First one of the day. It's under the ice. That's the first back-to-back bites I had all day. This one's gonna be kind of small. Let's see, let's see. This is a mess. There we go, come on. Unhooked. Something tiny on. There's a little dink speck. They're gonna be small this time of year, but another month or two with all the shrimp that are in, those would be some big fish. This one feels better. That's a keeper. That's a keeper. Just got a keeper, John. I'm gonna lose him. Oh yeah, easy keeper. Tied into something else. I don't know what it is. Probably a little rat red the way. Yeah, that's what it is. A little rat red. He might be growing up. Keep me out of these rocks. Pretty good. Let me see. Get him in the boat but he might make 16. I'm cleaning fish today. And he is hooked. Hooked good. Here's my measurer. Put the official measure on him. Oh yeah, he's about 16 and a half. Nice keeper red. That'd be nice. Oh, nice red. Real nice red. Big red on. He's trying to play me in all this wind. It's got me in a bind in this wind and current. Get the net out. Be ready. Oh yeah, nice red. Nice redfish. I'm gonna bleed this one. Nice red. That's the second one. Yeah.
What you fishing with?
Oh, boom. Going up in the grass.
Redfish?
Yeah, I think. Yeah, they've all been up over here. He's got me in a bind. Like right to the left there is where they've been up against the bank, hanging out. I'll let you have a turn. This one's got a bunch of spots too. Yeah. Nice fish. Oh yes, nice fish. Nice little redfish, yeah. That's a pretty one. nice keeper. It's a nice keeper redfish. Well, today started off real slow, but I ended up with 2 specks and 3 reds, so it was a good trip. I really enjoyed myself. Now I need to get back out here more often. Free tackle time. It's one of them high dollar Versacorks. So what do we got in the death chest today? 3 reds and 2 specks. Nice little mess of fish. Well, I was able to make a trip to Port Sulphur today, and we're getting near the summer patterns now. The big specks are all way out on the beach past Grand Isle right now. There's a few little ones inland. As the shrimp season progresses and they start to feed, we'll start catching a lot of keeper specks. So I ended up with 2 keeper specks and 3 redfish today, which is great. I got a new recipe I want to try. Fish battered with pork rinds. Can't wait to try that. So till the next video, get out there and go fishing.